Welcome to the Celtic Manor Newport for the Wales Sport Awards 2019.
Tonight we recognise and celebrate some brilliant athletes within the room and across the world.
Let's see who the winner of our first award this evening is. Please welcome Benny Ania of Good Gym, Cardiff and Vale.
We now move on to our next award this evening, and it is Team of the Year.
And the winner is Wales's men's rugby.
Alun, it's been a very special year.
I'm very proud to be involved with a group of guys that are very clear about the identity and what we represent.
Let's find out who's been selected the Inspiring Person of the Year. Please give a warm welcome to Mia Lloyd.
Next is the Unsung Hero Award. Please welcome Delwyn Derrick.
This is a horrible place to stand if you've got anxiety.
We move on then to the Carwyn James Awards to give a warm welcome to the stage to Lily Rice and Etienne Chappell.
This is the Coaching Chain of the Year Award. Please welcome Anna Barrett and Alan Williams. The Lifetime Achieved winner 2019, Joe Calzaghe.
Legacy was the biggest thing for me, being a champion and retiring from boxing or boxing retiring me.
The winner of the BBC Cymru Wales Sports Personality of the Year 2019, Tanny.
Alun Wyn Jones.
I do feel I should be on here with another 45 or 30 blokes, to be honest with you, because I'm strength in numbers, and I'm very proud to be Welsh, and we're still a team of 3.3 million, so diolch yn fawr.